I'm Leon Kluge and I'm the designer for the Cape Flora of South Africa floral extravaganza here at the Chelsea Flower Show. It's been 4 years since we've been here at the Chelsea Flower Show, and I think it was high time that we come and show off our kingdom of flowers here to the world. And we have some interesting flowers in our display this year, flowers that's never been seen before at the Chelsea Flower Show. So the Cape is famous for its very dramatic and big mountains, and that's my inspiration for this garden. We did it with clay, and we molded the clay into these circular waves, bit of a contemporary look on a mountain outcrop. But you'll see there's some windows into those clay mountains, and that is because in our mountains we have a lot of valleys and secluded areas where some species grow that grow nowhere else around in the Cape. So the Cape Flora flower stand here at the Chelsea Flower Show not only got the Gold Award for South Africa, but we also got the Best on Show and also the New Design Award, which is given to a design in the floral marquee, which kind of pushes the limits a little bit and creates some new innovative ideas of how to create a floral stand.